Hi, this is John from One Lens 2, and today I'd like to show you the video I recorded on a flight out of Douglas International Airport in Charlotte, North Carolina. We took off from the center runway heading south, which Google Maps tells me is runway 18C. So here's a look at my best guess of our route. After taking off to the south, we made a couple of right-hand turns to head west. Okay, let's take a look at American Airlines Flight 643 departing Charlotte at about 11:30 a.m. on a mostly cloudy day in April of 2019. That's the city of Charlotte in the background. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this is the view from seat 30A on an Airbus A321. And we're making our first turn to the west. And this is when it occurs to me that I might be on the wrong side of the airplane to be recording a video. Here's the second turn to get us on a heading to the west, and yes, definitely on the wrong side of the airplane to be recording a video. Unless you like clouds. Coming up on the Catawba River, which leads into Wiley Lake. And that's the Buster Boyd Bridge on York Road, which connects North Carolina to South Carolina. The border between the states runs down the river, so North Carolina is to our left and on the far side of the water, and South Carolina is to our right and on the near side of the water. What looks like smoke coming up from the ground in the distance is actually steam from the Catawba nuclear power plant. As I started to drift off to sleep on this long flight to Phoenix, I found myself looking out the window and daydreaming about what I suppose everyone daydreams about when looking out the window of an airplane. I wonder what a missile in flight would look like from up here.